Well, for decades, lawmakers have tried to establish a four-year medical school right here in the Central Valley. But the biggest obstacle has always been getting the money to build it. Two Valley congressmen are introducing a bill to ease the burden. Our Dennis Valera live in studio with the story. Dennis.
Alex, on Valley Congressman Jim Costa, TJ Cox, as well as Josh Harder, who is not in the picture behind me, introduced the Expanding Medical Education Act last week on Capitol Hill. For elected leaders here, it further demonstrates the collaborative effort needed to get the Valley on par with the rest of the state when it comes to health care.
I knew about the San Joaquin Valley Prime program since I was at UC Merced.
Anid Picard has her roots deep in the Central Valley. So much, she's in UCSF's SJV Prime program. It recruits Valley natives to fill a doctor gap here.
Because I'm from the Valley, and for me, the idea of getting my education in the Central Valley was very key for me.
But as successful as the program is, the area still lags in the number of doctors. To curb this, Congressman Jim Costa, with other elected leaders, introduced a bill that would provide up to $10 million per fiscal year to help create a medical school or branch campus for underserved areas. Assemblymember Adam Gray says this complements the state funds he's helped designate, as well as the millions Governor Gavin Newsom allocated in the latest budget.
At a time when so much of the news is engaged in everybody fighting and disagreeing, here in the San Joaquin Valley, here in Fresno, in Merced, in Bakersfield, we're all working together.
California Health Sciences University's College of Osteopathic Medicine is the Valley's first four-year medical school, and the first class starts this summer. The school recruited heavily out of area for students and faculty, but most importantly, it will give people like Picard at UCSF another option to stay.
For me, it was really important to practice and see patients in my various clerkships, meaning from like surgery to family medicine in the Central Valley, specifically here in Fresno.
Now, the Fresno Clovis Convention and Visitors Bureau says med schools always help bring new eyes to the area, especially since we've had a number of new medical facilities open over the years, like Clovis Community's Cancer Institute. Now, for a full text of the bill, find the story online at yourcentralvalley.com. Live in studio, Dennis Valera, KSEE 24, local news that matters.